SOFTSPIKES Multi-Wrench Kit has 2 wrenches. The SOFTSPIKES Cleat Ripper and SOFTSPIKES 2-prong Inserations wrench. Installing and changing cleats has never been easier. SOFTSPIKES wrenches work on all golf cleats. SOFTSPIKES is the #1 cleat on tour. Top reviews from the United States. Best tool I needed. The removal tool is awesome. I only got it because it came with the insertion tool. The insertion tool I would rank 2 stars at best. The prongs do not extend far enough in the tool for the amount of torque needed to install the spikes. However, the removal tool is worth all 5 stars. Now if they would just make that version with the teeth pointing the other direction, locking the spikes into place would be much easier.